Hi everyone, Laurel Mintz here, GP of Fabric VC. You know, January is not a great month for fundraising, but it is a great month for setting some of the foundational pieces for a brand. You should really, as a founder, spend some time getting all your affairs in order. Hopefully you spent some time doing that in December, which also is not a great month for fundraising. But January, you want to make sure that everything is buttoned up, all your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. And here's a couple things that you should be thinking about doing in January if you're just starting to get into fundraise mode. Number one, of course, make sure you are legally filed as a business entity. So make sure that you are set up to take on investment. That means making sure that you are either an LLC or a corporation, filing your articles of incorporation, and getting your business licenses in whatever state you are licensed to practice business within. Number two, make sure you've got all of your investment contracts in order. That means externally, of course, going after investors like me, and also internally, making sure that you have all your NDAs, all of your internal contracts, employee documents, etc. Everything should be polished. Specifically as it relates to investors, of course, you want to get your shareholder agreements in place, your investor agreements, and all your constitutional documents, like everything that is how you run your business and how you would take on investors. Your cap table, make sure it's cleaned up, make sure everything is in order to take on new investors. The third one is protecting your IP. So again, this is me having my lawyer hat on. Make sure that you have copyright protection if it's something that's creatively focused, especially if it's something that's patentable, like some of our clients or some of our portcos have. Make sure that your patents are pending and that you're in process on those because they take forever. And then of course, most significantly, I would say making sure your trademarks are in order. So that's brand name, taglines, logos, things like that. Those are usually the easier ones to get, but they do also take a significant amount of time. I would say the most important piece, if you have a patentable product, is just making sure that the patent is in process. So those are the three things that you can do in January to start the ball rolling and make sure you have everything in order for your fundraising efforts for 2024.